Welcome. This is the sample of vegetables field. Farmer has divided this field into 4 plots. Farmer grows different kinds of vegetables in each plot. So inside the field, there are 4 plots. First I measure the area of field, then I will measure the area of 4 plots one by one. In this sample, you can see most of the area of this field is divided by into plots. But some area is empty. This is empty area. Farmer does not grow vegetables in this area. So I will measure the total ground area and empty area. Activate a calculating size sheet. Now you can see I have measured the length and width of field and plots in meters. The length of field is 50 meter and the width of field is 25 meter. To calculate the area of field, activate cell E11. In mathematics, we calculate the area of rectangular shape by multiplying the values of length and the values of width of that shape. In sample, you can see the shape of this field is rectangle. So we will measure the area of this shape by multiplying the values of length and width. So activate cell E11. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Type product function in search box. Click Go. Select the product function from the list. The function arguments dialog box opens. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click Go. You have total area of field is about 1250 meters square. Inside the field, you can see there are 4 plots. To calculate the area of these plots, again activate cell E11. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. You have area rest of plots. The area of plot A is about 400 meters square. The area of plot B is about 200 meters square. The area of plot C is about 240 meters square. The area of plot D is about 80 meters square. In this way, you can calculate the area of any shape in Excel worksheet.